Welcome to LendrTech. We are excited you're here. This demo video will teach you everything you need to know in just a few short minutes. I don't want to waste your time, so let's jump right in. After you create an account, the first page you'll see when you log in is your dashboard. Here you can see a few metrics about your account, including how many clients you're managing, how many worksheets you've entered, and how many reports you've generated. However, the most important thing on this page is your list of clients. You can't do anything with LendrTech until you have a client. Fortunately, it's super easy. Just click Add and enter their name and information, and they'll be added to your list of clients. Not all information is required, but it can be helpful later on. For instance, a client's credit score is not required, but it is helpful later for auto-calculating some loan figures. Also, entering an email address will enable you to send your reports directly to your client, straight from our website without needing to download a PDF and send it yourself. Once a client has been added, click their name or click Manage to get started. This will take you to the Manage Client page, where you can edit a client's info at any time, and you can view and manage all of their closing cost worksheets and loan comparison reports in one place. The first thing to do is add a new document. These documents are closing cost worksheets that contain the proposed loan information for your borrowers. There are 3 ways you can enter this information. You can add it manually, use a template, or import a PDF. Our recommended method is to import a PDF. If you use a loan origination system like Encompass, you can export a PDF of the closing cost worksheet generated there and import it directly into our software. We'll use AI to automatically extract the values, so you don't have to enter things manually. Instead, just review the extracted data and save your progress when you're done. If you have any trouble extracting data from your forms, please let us know. We're always looking for ways to improve our product and would love to fine-tune our model to fit your needs. That being said, if you need to make any adjustments to the values on this page, we've built it to be as automated and seamless as possible. So you'll notice that if you change any key values, we will automatically update the other fields that are dependent on those values, so you don't have to recalculate things manually or draft a new worksheet in your loan origination software. You'll also notice that some fields have a pencil next to them. Those fields give you the option to enter values as a percentage of the total loan amount instead of as a raw dollar value. And if you choose that option, then of course, updating the total loan amount will also automatically update those fields as well. You may also notice that some fields have a refresh icon next to them. These are fields that don't update automatically when values change, but you can recalculate them at any time by simply clicking the refresh button. Once you've reviewed everything and are ready to move on, click Save, and we're now really close to seeing the magic of LendrTech. With a single worksheet entered, you can generate a simple one-page report by clicking the chart icon next to the document. This automatically generates a user-friendly report that communicates loan details much more clearly than a traditional closing cost document. This is something you can send directly to your borrowers that will help them understand their loan information and make you look like you spent hours preparing a customized report just for them. We'll look at the report page in more detail in just a moment, but before we do that, let's finish explaining how to use the documents. A single-page report like we just saw is nice, but the real power of LendrTech comes in being able to compare multiple loan options side by side, quickly and easily. And there are a few ways we can do this. After you've imported one document, you can quickly make a second document to compare to by clicking the Copy button. This takes you back to the page that we've already seen, and you can enter a new document title, change the values that you want to compare, and click Save. This will make a second document that we can compare against in our reports. The final way to make a new document is with templates. If you find yourself making documents that are similar over and over again, you can make a template that has several of the values pre-filled. This gives you a head start in filling out the information and can save you a lot of time down the road. Once all your documents are entered, you can start comparing them in a report. To do that, click Generate Purchase Report in the side menu. If you're doing refinances, you can use the Generate Refinance Report button instead. They work basically the same, so we'll stick with a standard purchase report for now. You start with an empty page and use the drop-downs to choose from the different closing cost worksheets you just created. This will automatically start populating your report with data. If you didn't make different copies of your documents, You can use a single document multiple times and edit the values in real time on this page instead. All of the charts and calculations will update automatically. So now, when a client asks if they can see what a loan would look like with 10% down versus 20% down, or how it would change if they bought points, you can create a document in a matter of minutes that clearly compares their options. And there's a lot more you can do to customize your reports as well and tailor them to your individual circumstances. For instance, clicking on any of the rows in the loan comparison table will highlight the row. You can use this to draw attention to important line items. The 3 ellipses in the top right of this page are also crucial for customizing your reports. Here you can change the title that is displayed at the top of the report, and you can also change the color theme of the report. You can choose from one of our predefined color schemes, or you can select your own custom colors to match your company branding exactly. The other items on this modal control which line items and charts are displayed on the report, so you can hide or show whatever sections you want. Additionally, you can customize the message next to each chart if you want to add additional clarifications or explanations for your clients. A final way to customize your report and tailor it to your client's needs is to record your screen and talk through the loan options for your client. Screen recordings are downloadable if you want to send them to your client yourself, or if you send your report through our app, a link to the video will be included in the email that gets sent to them. Make sure to save your progress regularly as you work on your reports. And when you're happy with everything, you're ready to download a PDF or send an email directly to your borrower. You also have the option to send your clients a link to an online version of their report if you prefer to do that instead. If you choose to send the report through our platform, your clients will receive an email that looks like this. Finally, you always have access to manage your account with the button in the top right of the nav bar. Here, you can update your profile picture, company logo, and other information. All info is optional, and if entered, will show at the top of the reports you generate. On this page, you can also manage your billing details, change your password, and you always have the option to unsubscribe at any time. Thank you for trying LendrTech. We hope you and your borrowers will enjoy our product, and if you have any questions, concerns, or ideas to improve our product, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at team@lendrtech.com. Thank you.